Hey, what's up, guys? Did you ever wake up feeling groggy and sluggish with no energy to face the day? Are you looking for a way to boost your energy and overall well being without resorting to sketchy energy drinks or questionable supplements? Well, have no fear, because today we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of cold plunges. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would anyone voluntarily torture themselves like that? But trust me, the benefits are truly amazing. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I promise I'll share with you a crazy story involving a polar bear and a bathtub. So let's get started with the first benefits of cold plunges. They wake you up like nothing else. Forget your morning coffee, forget your energy drinks. A cold plunge is the perfect way to kickstart your body and get you energized for the day ahead. And the best part? No caffeine jitters or midday crashes. But wait, there's more. Cold plunges can also help reduce inflammation and ease sore muscles and joints. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who likes to work out, a cold plunge can be the perfect way to speed up your recovery time and get you back in the game. And if that's not enough to convince you, how about this one? Cold water can actually help improve your skin and hair health. Yeah, you heard that right. Cold water can tighten up your pores, improve circulation, and leave you with a healthy glow. Plus, it can help tame frizz and give you shiny, luscious locks. Who needs expensive beauty products when you have a bucket of ice water? But here's the really cool part. Cold plunges can also increase dopamine in your brain. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that's associated with pleasure and reward, and it's what makes us feel good when we accomplish something or experience something enjoyable. By exposing yourself to cold water, your body releases dopamine as a natural response to the stress. So not only will you feel awake and alert, but you'll also feel happier and more satisfied. But wait, I'm not done yet. Cold plunges can even boost your immune system. Studies have shown that exposure to cold water can increase the number of white blood cells in your body, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. So if you want to avoid getting sick this winter, just take a dip in the nearest ice bath. Now, I know what you're thinking. But won't it be freezing cold and uncomfortable? And the answer is yes, it probably will be, but that's half the fun. Plus, there are some ways to make the experience a little less shocking, like starting with a warm shower and gradually turning the water colder. But before we wrap things up, I promised you a crazy story involving a polar bear and a bathtub, didn't I? Well, here it is. Once upon a time, there was a man who loved cold plunges so much that he decided to take one in the Arctic. But as he was soaking in the icy water, a polar bear approached him, curious about what he was doing. And instead of running away in fear, the man decided to share his plunge with the bear. And that, my friends, is how the first polar bear spa was born. So there you have it, folks. The benefits of cold plunges are truly amazing. They can boost your energy, reduce inflammation, improve skin and hair health, increase dopamine, and even boost your immune system. And if you're feeling brave, you can even try taking a cold plunge in nature, like in a river or lake. Just make sure to be safe and never take unnecessary risks. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. And who knows, maybe you'll even end up with a new furry friend like our polar bear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and health and wellness. And let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a cold plunge and what your experience was like. Stay cool, everyone.